Okay, so after done a Squarespace website, how can you change the content very easily on your Squarespace backend? So when you will log in your Squarespace account, then you can see like this website. So if like this is my website, so I am clicking go to website, and then my Squarespace editor will be open here. So as if you were a client, then how can you change the content very easily on your website? So like as your designer will make the website like that, like as with the some dummy content your designer have done the website. So now you need to change the content. How can you change the content? I'm gonna showing it to you. So from the left side you can see the pages here. You just need to go to the pages, and then you can see here your all of the pages list. So this website made by Squarespace 7.1. so like if you want to change the content for the home page, then you just need to click home, and then you just need to click edit here. So when you will click edit, then now you are fully on editor mode, and now you can change any kind of content on your website. And I have just used Squarespace classic editor. I have not used the Squarespace fluid editor. So if your designer will used the classic editor, then you can see here upgrade. You don't need to click upgrade here. If you click upgrade here, then you will move on the grid editor. Okay, the fluid engine you will move. So if you just don't need to move anywhere. So for the first look, if you want to change those images, then when you will hover over on it, I have used a gallery here. So if you want to change the images, then you just need to click edit gallery. Then you can see here a lot of a picture I have already uploaded here. So you can delete any kind of a picture from here, and you can add new picture from your computer. Or also if you click a plus here, then you can see search images. So under the my library option, you can see those images that your designer or you have already uploaded on the Squarespace directory. And on the free images, you can search any kind of images here, like as omen. If you are searching for a omen image, then you just need to search here, then you can find any kind of images here, and they are fully free and they are powered by Unsplash. So you can use those images freely. Or if you need more high quality image or your needed things, then you can buy also a premium image from here. Okay, so like that way you just need to click on the picture and then just click add. So this picture will be added here. Okay, and for this section, this is a about us section. So if you want to change the content for this page, for this section also, then you just need to click here and write your own content there. That's it. And then again move it here. And for these things also, you can just remove all of them and you can write your own word there. When you will be okay with that, then you just need to click done and then save it. Then your live website will be automatically changed. And then you can see here what's new. This is a e-commerce thing, so it is coming from the backend. There you have uploaded the product, so those images are from come there. For this section, if you want to change the text, it is the same things that I have shown you already. Or if you want to change the background images now, then you just need to click edit section, and then you can see here background. You just don't need to click anywhere if you don't know about them, because you just want to know how to change the content very easily. So you just need to click background, and then you can see here the background that I have uploaded. So you can replace it from here the same way. You can take any kind of images from your desktop. That's it. And also you can use the stock images from here for with searching things. Okay, so like that way you can change the background. And this is the gallery that I have used again, and this is the newsletter subscription, and it is the footer. So when you will hover over on it, then you can see edit footer. I have just click edit footer, and then you just need to click edit section again, and then you can see background here, and you can replace the background very easily on your website. So this is the simple things how can you change the content very easily. Whenever you will be okay, then you just need to click done, and then you can see save here. You just need to save it. And for the product, you just need to click shop, and then you can see all of the product list here that you have uploaded. So if you want to make change on your product, or if you want to add a new product, then you just need to click here the plus icon, or you can just click add product. This is the same things. So you just need to click the plus icon, then you can see here the physical product, digital product, services, gift card, membership, and scheduling. So if you are selling a physical product, then you just need to click physical. If you are selling like as a ebook or a PDF or audio file, then they are the digital products. So you can sell physical or digital product or any services as well as. So as my client will sell like as the women things, the hair extension maybe, so you just need to click physical, and then you can see here the product name, product description that you can put here, and here is the images, the price, how much price you want to put for the product, and on sale price you can do here that this was your previous price and you are selling it now with a different price. That's it. And then here is the quantity you can put, like as if you have 10 quantity, then you can put here the 10 quantity, or if you have unlimited stock, then you can just check mark it, then the product will be as an unlimited product. And if you have any variant like is the size or color, like is the size, I have the small size, and then medium, and then large, then those size will be added automatically. Then just click save and publish, then your product will be published. If your product have any categories, then you can add here the category, just clicking here, like as if it will be women category, then when you will write here women, then you just need to click add, then you can add a new category on your website, and you can add also tag. This is the basic things to upload a product. So I'm not gonna uploading the product, I'm just showing you how can you edit. Okay, so cancel and leave it. Okay, and if you want to edit the product that you have already uploaded, then you just need to click the three dot button here, and then just click edit. And when you will click edit, then you can see here the product name. If you want to include more images, then here you can see the product edit option. Here is the product name, the product description, and here is the images. If you want to delete these images, then you just need to click here the three dot button, and you can see delete option here. And also you can add here new product upload file. So from your computer you can upload the new product images, and then here is the price that you, if you want to update the price, then you can just write here the new price. And here is the category option. If you have new categories, then you can just click add, and you can write here the category name like as men, then just click add, then the main category will be added here. So I'm just not gonna adding them, delete here. I can also delete from here. Okay, done. Okay, so like that way you can edit a current product that you have already uploaded on your website. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it. And for the other pages, like as if I will go to the about page, then I can see here the about page. So you just need to click edit again, the same things. If you want to change the text, then just need to click text, and then you can update it here like as about us more. So you can write here, and that's it. And if you want to change the background, then you can see here the edit section, and then go to background and upload it again from here, or replace it from here. Okay, the text, the same things. And the picture, if you want to change the picture, then you just need to click the picture, and then you can see here the pen icon. You just need to click on it, and then you can see the replace thing, the same things again. So Squarespace website edit it very easy, and you can edit any kind of content from your current website, and you can update very easily any kind of content, like as the images, about us, or you can also edit the product name, price, picture, all of the things. Almost, if you will make your website with Squarespace, then it will be very customizable. You can update each and every content very easily without knocking your designer. Or if your website is not good, then just knock me, I can assist you to make your website very professional. Thank you so much.